Well guys, we're at a place called Yot Yayi coffee shop. Nice. And we're on our way to Phu Sang Waterfall Park. Looks like a really nice coffee shop. We just stopped off just to grab a quick cup of coffee, a bit of refreshment. As you can see, they've got an outdoor area here. It's just lovely. It just overlooks this valley. And then down there they've got lots and lots of bits and pieces growing strawberries by the looks of it. Well guys, welcome to Phu Sang Waterfall Park. It's absolutely stunning here. I mean, it is a feast for the eyes. As you can see, I'm all kitted up and ready to go. And Pi and I are about to head in to the park itself. You can see a lot of people sitting down there, just relaxing, but there's guys running backwards and forwards from the restaurants across the road. So you can actually buy a meal there and then sit there and have a picnic, basically. What a lovely way to spend a day. Well, let's go and find out exactly what they charge. So we just paid the fees there. It's 100 baht for an adult and 50 baht for a child. That's foreign tourists. For Thais, it's 20 baht. And this is where we're heading to, the Phu Sang Warm Spring Natural Trail. Here's a little map. Well, looking at the map here, it's going to take between 30 minutes and an hour to walk around the entire circuit. There are lots of signs here that give you information as you walk around. As you can see, there's quite a climb to negotiate. It is nice in here though. These steps, I warn you, are extremely steep. That is one huge tree. I mean, absolutely vast. It looked big from down below, but up here, right next to it, it's just massive. As I said, the steps are really steep and yeah, you do need to be reasonably fit. And there's another bunch of them just here. Still onwards and upwards. Now, according to the information here, these are the Berina arms bees, and they're the largest species of bees. Each single hive can have anything between 10 and 80,000 bees. Just look at it through here though. It is absolutely stunning. And again, there's all these little information plaques. It's nice on a really hot day though, because you walk through and it's just so cool.
This sauna is clear.
Yeah.
If about 2-3 hours more, I think I cannot walk around.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
But it's cooler up here though.
Cold.
Humid.
Because you
yeah.
walk.
Yeah.
Not easy for.
It certainly is cooler, but yeah, there is a lot of humidity in here. But you expect it, you're in a tropical jungle. It is lovely though. A lot of stagnant water everywhere because of the amount of rainfall, which means just one thing: lots of mosquitoes. Here's another one of those really big trees. Canopy here is just lovely. As you can see, the walkways are really nice. Yeah, some of these trees must be hundreds of years old. As you can see, there's one of the huge trees that's just fallen over, and originally of course it would have blocked the pathway, so what they did was just construct some steps going over it. It's a big tree. Look at that. Wow. It is a wonderland in here though. You can see another tree there that's fallen over, but it's not impeding anybody's access along the walkway, so they've just left it. Fabulous. All these vines and stuff, you know, makes it so tropical. Just a lovely jungle. Yeah, it's definitely a sight to behold. I like the fact that they've not cut down trees just for the sake of the walkway. They've just gone round them. I do, I like it. I like the jungle. Nicer. Yeah, Pi's very much into this as well, so again, we do have a lot in common. Well, we've just come to the warm pond, and this is an underground spring. They say that the temperatures fluctuate between 35 and 36 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty constant. It is crystal clear. And there's some information for you guys. Again, pause the video if you'd like to take a look. Well, you can see just how clear the water is and the bubbles coming up as the water's being heated. It's almost like a turquoise green. Really is stunning. But it is crystal clear. Wow, this water is really, really warm. I mean, it's like a bath. That is unbelievable. Just amazing watching the bubbles come up though. Well, I'm sure you can hear the sound of the waterfall just below us. You can't really see it from here because the canopy is just too dense, but it is down in there. It's taken Pi and I just over an hour to go round here, and it's a lovely place to visit, it really is. The hot spring, just beautiful to look at, and of course all this jungle is just spectacular. So now we'll just head down here and work our way back out. Yeah, it's truly a lovely place to come and visit though. Again, another fantastic wonder that Thailand, and in particular Chiang Rai, has to offer. As you can see, the steps are pretty steep though. And it is extremely humid. If you're going to do this trek through the jungle, bring some water with you and bring some mosquito repellent. There's stagnant water everywhere in there. And this leads us back to the big tree that we saw when we came in. Magnificent. As you can see, you're quite a way up here. You hungry? Come on in, let's go eat. Look at that though, what a sight. As you can hear, the laughter of kids, they're all playing in the water. Great place for a family to come though, and just relax for the day. It is a truly beautiful place, definitely worth coming, and certainly to walk around the nature trail, yeah, it's worth every single baht of the 100 baht that I paid. Well guys, I ordered some food, and we got some pork and chicken and some sticky rice. We also decided to hire a mat. It was 20 baht, but you have to put down a deposit of 80 baht, but you get that back obviously when you take it back. I got some somtam as well. What a view though. I mean, just sitting here having, you know, what is a great meal for, you know, just a few pence, and this view of this waterfall is just divine. It is not difficult to understand why this place attracts so many people. It's just the perfect place for families to come with their kids, let them play in the water. It's very, very shallow, about a metre deep. And yeah, just have a really nice time. Some food, get together, have a chat. Yeah, this is good, solid family quality time. Doesn't get any better than this. Well, what can I say? This is just yet another incredible gem on the Chiang Rai list. If I was you and I was coming out here, definitely check this place out. Right, Pi and I are going to eat. What a day, eh?
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. Well, guys, we hope you really enjoyed Phu Sang Waterfall Park. It really is a beautiful place, and it is definitely worth taking the trip through the trail as well. There's just so much in there. Absolutely stunning. Whatever you guys do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Don't forget, please subscribe, share and like. It does make a difference. And Pi and I, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.
See you tomorrow.